SureHold, clean and simple.
Hey guys, Barry Burhoff with you again with SureHold Industries, and we are out on our beautiful Albury project boat today. And we finished this about a year and a half ago, and I'll put a link to the videos down below where we redid the whole boat. And one of the things that we did on the boat that's my favorite, and I kind of want to give an update and a review on, is the steering wheel that we put in from Edson. This is got their Power Comfort Grip, which is this rubberized section out underneath here, which makes it really easy to grip and hold on to. It has the Power Wheel, which spins and makes it nice and easy for doing quick turns with one hand. And the wheel is full 3/16 stainless, comes in 3 different sizes, and I really have to tell you, I happen to love this wheel. One of the best parts about the rubberized grips is when you're offshore and you're in a small center console boat and you get that wave over the bow and a lot of rain or water, you're able to really grip this and not feel like in the rough weather that you're going to be falling out of the boat. You have a nice secure connection to the boat, and that's really what a good steering wheel is about, is a nice secure connection to the boat and to the engine for your steering. So again, this is the Edson steering wheel, and I cannot recommend it enough. It's been on the boat for about a year and a half, and it is performing flawlessly. Now don't forget, if you want to see the other videos about the boat, or other reviews, or tips, tricks, and cleaning videos from SureHold, visit me at surehold.com, and we've got everything you need there to keep your boat clean and simple. Come on guys, they already know to subscribe. Let's keep this nice and clean.